Take me home. I know you wanna take me home. I know you wanna.
Alright, so I'm making some pie cuts, and this is for the intercooler. This is aluminum, and we're gonna go for it. So far I have 5 plus those 3 there that are already kinda tacked. I was experimenting to see how it's gonna be. So now I made a mock-up. Those 2 top ones, they are loose, so I need to tack them, and then we're gonna go back there and keep adding until we're happy with everything, and then we're gonna start welding. I'm gonna use those green tapes instead of the white tape because this is made for heat. There you go. Now we're gonna twist it. You gotta be in the position we want. And then we're gonna fit one more of those. I'm already all the way down there. This is welded for real. And now I gotta weld those bottom ones. Okay, so little at a time. Yeah, look, this is better. So now I'm gonna use this green tape here, which is a high heat tape used for powder coating. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and I'm gonna replace those painting tapes here. The painting tapes are better, but when they melt or with the heat, they're gonna release glue. So now I got this in here. At this stage, I'm gonna tack it. So I gotta keep repeating the process until this goes all the way around where I want it to. The pie cuts usually are 9 degrees, so 9 in one side, 9 on the other one. 5 of those should give us the complete 90 degrees. That's it. So it's gonna be here. I just need to weld this part here. I'm gonna get a pen and mark, and I'm going to use a joint in here because I want some flex. And the other point is it's gonna be super hard to drop the pipe and go all the way here, and the only flex I will have in here would be from up there. So I'm adding this guy here, and I might do, well, the other side I already have one, which is here. This is my bid. Look at that, not bad. Aluminum. It's the hardest thing ever, but somehow it's easier than, well, let me not say anything. I'm gonna finish, there's 11 more to finish this pipe, and then we're gonna go to the other one. And there you go. Look like crap, but it's gonna look good. There and here. And now tomorrow I need to do one from here to here. Unfortunately, see, if you get on eBay, don't get this one that is not polished, because this is not like clean aluminum. It does not weld.